Hey guys, what are we getting into today? Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am your host, Lay. I do beauty, hygiene, and self-care videos, so if you are interested in looking good, smelling good, and feeling good, then this is the channel for you, and I would really appreciate it if you would consider subscribing. So today's video, we are going to do this look right here. I did like a graphic, girly type Valentine's Day look, and for this one, I want it to be more vampy and sexy, so this is what I came up with. I even have on, like, you know, this sexy shirt. Get the girls right. I'm in the process of trying to lose weight, but yeah, so we are dressed sexy. We are ready for sexy time. Looking good, feeling good, smelling good. All right, so like I said, today we're going to be doing this look, very vampy, sexy. For this, I went in with the Carnival palette. Ooh, okay. It's making me look a little more snatched. Okay, so I don't want this intro to be too long. Let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is prime. I'm going to be using the MAC Prep and Prime 24-Hour Extended Eye Base. This eye base is really good for colorful eyeshadows because it has like a tacky dry down, so it really helps shadows to adhere to it. Really nice, really nice. And I'll be using this ᗷᖇoᗯ concealer buffer brush. It's in number 142. Okay, the next brush I'm going to be using is this Sephora brush. This is a flat concealer brush. It's number 76. And the first color I'm going in with is Inferno. I'm just going to start by patting it on the lid and kind of creating my shape. And this shade is a really pretty vibrant red. Oh my gosh, like, look at that pigment. All I did was touch my eyelid and it's like, it's red. So now I'm taking a Sigma brush. This is the Sigma E35. I'm not putting any extra product on. I'm just going to blend out the edges as high as I want them to go. So now that that's blended, I'm going to create like this eyeliner type thing, but with eyeshadow. So now I'm going in with I'm gonna go in with the color Reckless, which is like a mauvey purpley brown, and I'm going to use this Sephora Smoky Eyeliner brush. This is the Pro Smoky Liner, and this is in number 24, and I'm going to use the tip of that to create a wing. Okay, and then to clean it up a little bit, I'm going to take this micellar water and a Q-tip and just kind of sharpen out that wing. The next step is going to be to add eyeliner. I have like a kind of like cat eye eyeliner going, so I'm using this ᗵᗇe Hydraliner in the shade Grease. Okay, so before we move on to my face, I'm gonna apply my lashes. For mascara, I'm using this e.l.f. Volume Plumping Mascara in the shade Black. I love black mascara. Okay, and for lashes, we're going in with the BYL Cosmetic lashes. These are in the style Charm. So I almost forgot, we're also going to go in with the shade Valentine just to add a little bit of shimmer, and I mean, how fitting. So I'm just going to take that and put it in the open space right here. And you see it just adds like a little something. It's not like too shimmery, but like perfect Valentine's Day. Okay, on to face. I'm going to start by moisturizing using my e.l.f. Super Hydrate. It's a really nice water-based hydrator or moisturizer, especially since we took off the fallout. For primer, I'm going in with another e.l.f. product. This is the Jelly Pop Dew Primer. It's supposed to be a dupe for like the milk one. Never used the milk one, so I'm not sure how accurate that is. It smells really good though. Okay, now that we are properly primed, I am also going to go in with this Morphe Acne Fighting Putty Primer, just because over in my nose area I like to have a little extra like pore filling. So for foundation, we're going to change it up a little bit. I'm going to be using the Sonia Kashuk Soft Focus Satin Matte Foundation. I did a review on this a while back, and I do really like this foundation. The shade range at my Target is just horrible. For concealer, I'm using this e.l.f. Hydrate Camo Concealer with a satin finish, and this is the shade Medium Sand. To set everything, I'm going to use this Morphe Bake and Set setting powder. This is in the shade Banana. Then to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using this Urban Decay De-Slick Mattifying Powder. This will just help absorb any extra oils, and there's no like color changer. Okay, so now our face is set. I'm going to spray setting spray and let it sit while I do my under eye. So for setting spray, I'm going to use something different instead of my continuous mist. I'm going to use this Milani Fruit Fetish Make It Last setting spray in Dragon Fruit Peach. It's really aggressive. I feel like once you've had like the Morphe continuous setting mist, shit like this, and it's a nice setting spray, it's just bam. Lower lash line. Since we're going for the ᗷᖇoᗯ Vamp, we're going in with black. This is the ColourPop BFF Cream Gel Liner, and this is in the shade Swerve. Are we feeling sexy yet? I am. Okay, so now I'm going back in with, I think I'm going to go in with Reckless and then smoke it out with Inferno. Should I do it? I think I'm going to do it. This is definitely giving me like Cleopatra on Valentine's Day vibes. So now I'm going to take this Morphe M506 brush and I'm going to go back in with Inferno and just blend it out just a little bit, ever so slightly. Like how cute. Okay, so for bronzer, I'm going in with this Beauty Bakery Snackaroony bronzer in I Don't Give a Sip. And I'm going to be using this fluffy ᗷᖇoᗯ 101 Face Definer brush. Also, I'm going to lightly contour my nose using my Juvia's Place bronze palette in the shade Tan. So I'm going to do a light bake, and while I wait for that, I'm going to go in with my blush. This is the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek Matte. This is in the shade Tonic. It's a more bold orangey red. Alright, and now it's time for highlight. I'm going to use this MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Gold Deposit. This just makes it look super warm. Pretty much done, just gonna dust off my powder. So we're going to setting spray one more time. Same setting spray, and then we can do lips. Lips, I'm thinking nude. What y'all think? I really think. Okay, so we're gonna try something. We'll see how it goes. I kind of want the lips to be like a brighter nude, so I'm gonna go in with True Story by Morphe. This is their matte liquid lipstick, and then I'm also going to line with the Bare Minerals Under Over Lip Liner in the shade Gen Nude. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you made it to the end, please consider subscribing to my channel. It would definitely mean the world to me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, beauties be blessed.